All right, so in this video, I'm going to be doing my latest OLSP review video for 2024. Just kind of give you an idea of what's going on with the OLSP system. Also, I'm going to show you my OLSP commission proof and you know that they actually pay out and how you can earn OLSP affiliate commissions by simply sharing one link. Now, it's not difficult, it's not hard. If you can just follow the training that is laid out in the system, then I'm pretty sure that you can have success with this as well, just like I am, and thousands of other people as well. So let's go ahead on and get on with this review. Once you get signed up by clicking the link in the description, you're always going to see this bar up here at top, you know, at the top, letting you know that there's something going on. Okay, so you can easily close that out. And so what's happening now, the latest things that are happening right now inside of the OLSP system is we have something called points and prizes. And if I come over here to points and prizes, you're able to see your points, you can earn points, and you can see the leaderboard. So if I click on my points, I'm number 18 right now. Here you see I've been getting new leads every day, and you earn points for getting leads and things like that. So this whole page right here is just the 24th, which is today, of me getting leads coming into the system. And the beauty about this is once you get a lead and you share your link, you don't have to worry about setting up GetResponse, Aweber, or another outside autoresponder service, because OLSP does all the emailing for you, which means your only job is to get eyeballs on your link. Share that link, social media, YouTube videos, shorts, it doesn't matter, TikTok, however you feel like doing it, solo ad, Google ad, Bing ad, however you want to do it. Just share your link and let OLSP system do the rest. Now, you can do what I have done, and what I did was I set up an email inside of Google or my Gmail account. And so when somebody actually joins, okay, I do send them a particular email that I have saved as a canned message. And I'll show you that at the end of the video. And also, you know, I'm putting people, I have a bonus for people who join me. So if you join me, stick around to the end of this video and I'll let you know what the bonus is that I have for you. So you can see this page right here. I'm getting leads here. So if you want to earn points, you click on earn points. Okay. Right now it's a 22K mega showdown. You're going to get marketing material. There are 4 days left. Okay. Contest rank is 30th. Okay. Watch this video here and you can see some things that, you know, completing tasks. I've completed this task today, so this is going to help me get points as well. These other two tasks can be done, okay, will be done on the 28th and the 25th, which is tomorrow. So you'll see here the points you get a point for every time you log in. Well, 2 points for logging in once a day. So if you log in 5 times, you're only going to get 2 points. That's it, period. A new lead, you're going to get 30 points. New sale, you're going to get 50 points. New purchase, if you purchase something, 20 points. New comment, 1 point. Comment rejected, then of course negative. And traffic order complete and things of that nature. Over here are the actual highest point scores for the month. Okay, what they're going to get. First prize is going to get $15,000. And 20th is going to get $50. So I'm number 18 right now. So I'm in the run up to, you know, get $50 just for being in this contest. Okay, so let's go over here and look at the leaderboards, and they do have a leaderboards now. You can see the names of the leaderboards here. If you come down here, I am number 18 here on the leaderboard. Okay. At number 18, I'm able to earn $50 if I stay in that spot, you know, to the end of the month, which you're going to help me rise from number 18 up to the number 10 spot and above. I know you're going to do it. So go ahead on, click the link in the description, join your boy so we can go ahead on and get this thing rocking. You have the sales contest. Okay, all of the sales contest members are here as well. If I scroll down through here, I'm number 30th right now. So I'm in on that running, you know, to earn some points, but I want to get this higher with your help. Oh yeah, I'm asking. If you don't ask, you don't receive, correct? So that's what I'm doing here. The Hall of Fame, we come over to the Hall of Fame. there I am right there at number 18 in the Hall of Fame. So these are some of the new updates that have happened inside of the OLSP system. They have moved a few things around. You can see where you earn commission, the commission generator. You can promote the live events, okay, to give you a link for that. And you can promote evergreen offers, but you have to be at a certain level in order to promote these offers, which I'm at that level, and I'll share that with you in a minute as well. But if we go back to the dashboard, you can see 731 people have earned commissions, been paid commission in the last 24 hours. Right now I'm at 728. I have made some withdrawals, and I'm going to show you that some OLSP commission proof to let you know that this do work. So if we come over here to commissions, you can see total since I've been in OLSP. I've been in OLSP for a few years, but I didn't like the old system. But when they came out with the new system in December, that's when I really kind of started promoting it. So you can see here I'm almost at 37. I'm at $3,700, so almost at $4,000. I can withdraw right now $356, and to show you proof that this worked, I'm just going to go ahead on and request it, and then I'm going to say I am sure. Now this is going to be sent to me. You see how that balance went down to zero, pending withdrawal $356. If I come over here and go to transactions, and if I come down here and look at withdrawals, you'll see my withdrawals. Everything is right here, okay? And this goes to my Wise account, which does straight after Wise receives it, it goes into my bank account. And you can see the dates here that I have made withdrawals. So making a withdrawal is easy. OLSP system does pay, so there's no reason for you to think that you're not going to get your commissions that you earn. You are able to get your commissions once you get started with the system, okay? So that's proof that this works. Now, I'm not guaranteeing you that you're going to earn any income, because I don't know if you're going to come in here and even take the one link that can earn you OLSP affiliate commission. I'm not sure you're going to take that one link and post it on Facebook. If you're going to do Instagram, if you're going to do Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube video, solo ads, whatever the case may be, that's totally up to you, okay? So let's go over here right now, and I'm going to go back to the dashboard. And another thing, you're able to see upcoming events here as well. As of today, I've already been to 2 of the events. We have another one here at 1 o'clock today. So you're able to come here and see events that's going on and all of that stuff right there. Now, to earn OLSP commissions, the only thing you have to do is grab this link right here, okay? When you copy this link, you don't have to worry about an autoresponder. You don't have to worry about doing any email follow-up. The only thing I recommend that you do is reach out to the people who actually join you. So you grab that link, and this link is going to take them to a page just like this. When you click the link in the description, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. It may be a different page, because they are rotating the opt-in pages, so it could be a different page that you see. But we're only one simple system that spits out automatic commission for life. Put in your name, put in your email here, tick this box, and send the login details and get started. So you're going to get a page just like this. When someone tries to exit, it's going to pop up like this again, okay? So you can do that by clicking the link in the description below. Now what you want to do, you can copy this one link right here. And one of the things that I do is I send paid traffic. Let me show you just some of the things that I'm doing with mine. So one of the things I'm doing with mine is I put my link right here. Now this is actually it's forwarded using this domain name here, and I got this domain name through the OLSP system that I'm using, which is the Mega Builder Team Builder software. So I put this link here. When I make posts on my profile, people can come check out my profile, click this link here, and go check it out if that's what they want to do. So you can do that as well. Another thing that I'm doing is I have my Mega link here as well. I have my Mega link here, and I have a Team Rotator. And now that I'm mentioning the Rotator, this is one of the bonuses that I'm offering to put your link in this rotator as well, using my own money, okay, in order to help you get leads and possibly sales from within the rotator that I'm using, okay. So I do have a rotator set up for that to help anyone who joins me, okay, get traffic and hopefully get sales, but with the hopes of you working on the back end as well, okay. You have to be willing to share the link yourself. I don't want to be doing all the work while you sitting back, just thinking you're going to reap the benefits and the rewards of it, because I'm looking for people to actually do some, that's going to do some work. So I have this link here. So if I click on this page right here, I have my link set up and down through here, and I can pick things. This is in Traffic Zest, and a link will be for this in the description as well if you want to check it out. But not only that, this is my rotator, okay. I have a rotator here for people who join me, so I'm helping you get leads and possibly sales as well. So that's another thing you're doing. Another thing I'm doing, I'm actually running traffic through Udemy right now, okay, with a vendor as well. So that's working for me. And of course, you see me here on the YouTube video. So those are some of the things that I'm doing. Plus, I'm getting into Instagram now a little bit. Still trying to work my way into that, and more on Facebook and Instagram, and possibly TikTok as well, because I can take the videos that I create for Instagram, the reels, and use them on Facebook, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok and things like that. So those are some of the things that I'm doing. So when another thing I wanted to show you before I show you what I'm doing when someone joins me. If you decide to get, when you get in and you start getting some results, you can get what is called the OLSP Mega Builder. Now with the Mega Builder, you're going to get everything you need, so you don't need an outside autoresponder like GetResponse, Aweber. You can keep those if you want to. If you're using Builder All, you can drop Builder All. I mean, you can even drop, and I'm just going to be honest with you, you can even drop HBA if you wanted to, and use this system right here, because it has everything you need. They have it set up now. They have a contest funnel that's going on right now, and in that contest funnel, you're going to get funnels. So when you get the Mega Builder, you get pretty much a business in a box with all of these funnels here, okay. Where you see my name, these are funnels that I created myself, okay. But all of these funnels are funnels that OLSP created, and they do all of the follow-up for you as well if you decide to get the Mega Builder and thing. And I'll put a link for the Mega Builder and the Team Builder in the description as well, along with the other links that I mentioned. So you're going to get that. Now when someone joins me, what I do is I come over here and I can look at my customers, people who've actually joined me. I can grab this first email here, okay, because they joined me on the 24th. I come over to Gmail, I compose a message, and I don't have to worry about filling in a subject. I just come down to these three dots, click on templates, come up here, OLSP from Richard, and boom, everything is in there. The only thing I don't have, let me go back and take a look. I don't have his name, so I can't say his name. I'm just gonna say hi. I'm gonna put friend, and boom, okay. I got everything there that I want to send them, and then they can reach out to me, and then I click send. That's it. So I reach out to the people who actually join me in OLSP. Here go another one right here. If I come over here, I grab this person, Otis, come back over here to compose. Gonna pop that in there. Come down here, click these three dots, go to there. They're gonna come up here and put. And another thing I just thought about, their name could be in that email address. So check that as well. And then I come down here and I click send. Boom, that's it. Now I have reached out to the people who actually joined me in OLSP, and you can do the same. If you want this email so you can make a template out of it, I can send it over to you as well. But if you join me in OLSP, I'm going to put you in my rotator, okay, to hopefully help you get leads, traffic, and sales, okay. And also, if you reach out to me, I have a special surprise bonus that I'm not sharing in this video. But if you reach out to me and you're ready to join, I will give that bonus to you, share that bonus with you as well. And so, you know, you can go ahead and get started. So I just want you to know that this does work. OLSP System Review 2024, you see the commission proof. I'm not guaranteeing you anything, and you can earn affiliate commission simply by sharing your link. That's it. That's all you have to do. So with that being said, I hope you got value from this video. Like this video, give me a thumbs up on the video, leave me a comment below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so when I do other videos, you get access to them. Go ahead and click the link in the description to get started. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.